Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my review and tutorial on the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Beauty Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. And this is in the shade She's That Girl, which is the soft pink option. There are 8 shades to choose from, but in particular, I absolutely gravitate towards these pinky, vibrant, kind of softer pink combo, and I absolutely love it. Here's the packaging. It reminds me also of their bronzer duo, and I absolutely love it, and I do have a video on that if you want to check it out in the description box down below. But here's a swatch of the cream. It's very creamy and dewy almost, so I am going to be using a stippling brush to apply it. But let's go ahead and talk about it. It retails for $34. You get 0.37 ounces of product. And what it is a compact with 2 complementary blush formulas that give you a full bold color. And I absolutely love blush. It's definitely a main priority to me in my kind of natural, soft, glowy looks that I always do, even if I'm doing just everyday looks. But I do pack it on. And I do believe that the products that Patrick Ta has been coming out with really are just helping my confidence and my applications so well. Like the cream and then topping it off with the powder, it has just changed my whole thought process of applying makeup. But here it is, the cream part of the blush. Then I'm going to use this powder brush to apply the powder blush part of this compact, and as you can see, it just slightly brings it all together. And I, for reference, do have dry to normal skin. I have dull skin. I have discolorations. I do not personally wear foundation, but here it is with everything set, and the concealer and the bronzer and the highlight, and I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. I do have a link if you want to check that out in the description box down below as well, if you want to save some money on their website. I also wanted to mention that this product is also vegan. It's cruelty-free and it's gluten-free, free of sulfates, SLS, SLES, parabens, formaldehydes, formaldehyde-releasing agents, phthalates, mineral oil, retinol palmitate, oxybenzone, coal tar, all that bad stuff. And it also has highlighted ingredients like the patented biometric pigments, micronized pigments, and creamy emollient base, which create a dewy finish and locks in color for extended wear. But as you can see, it looks great on me and my skin, and I'm absolutely obsessed, and I highly recommend this product. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.